Okay, so in lesson 12, you guys, we're going to really focus on why it's so important to choose proper units when we are measuring things. So, really, why we learn this, you guys, is once you get into scientific notation, it's kind of hard to understand what is being measured when these numbers are just so entirely large. And that's just because of the way units work and what we can actually visualize in our brain. So, one example I'll give you is if we had a dining room table, okay, we can recognize the dining room table as, let's see, maybe it's 42 inches by 60 inches, right? We can kind of visualize that in our head. We could also maybe say, no, how about we go 3.5 feet by 5 feet? Okay, that even makes more sense to me. I can visualize 3.5 feet by 5 feet. But what if I said it's point 0.7 over 150, 1056 miles times 1 over 156 miles? I have literally no clue what that really represents. If someone was to tell me that, I would just say, eh. And so you don't want someone thinking that when you give your math answer. So this would not be acceptable. We can't use miles to measure a dining room table. We need to think about what people can visualize. So this is one simple example. You will go ahead and look about this next problem is okay, how would you measure 1,000 songs that are about 4 minutes long? Would you do it in terms of seconds, days, or years? Why? You need to make that justification of why. What about if you have 20 grams of cupcakes and you need to make 500 cupcakes? Are you going to buy sugar in grams? Are you going to buy sugar in pounds, in tons? Why? Tell me why. And then you'll kind of keep working through this, and then I will come back for another example.